Phew, that was lucky. This whole assembly is loose. I guess sometimes it's worth pulling things apart just to see where we're at. Oh, God, it's finger tight. Jeez. Okay, note to self, be at the bottom of the bracket. Okay, one circlet. supported by the lever. Note that this protrusion goes down and sits in the spring, and the spring hooks around here, and the top of the spring on this moulded piece here. And then the decompression lever just pulls out. And you can't go wrong because it's got a notch in it. I say you can't go wrong. I'm sure I can manage it. So together and back. Okay, for the time being I'm going to work around the clutch lever. I don't really want to take it out. Well, I would like to take it out because I would like to quite clean it, but it's got a roll pin in there that secures it. I can drift it out from the other side, but I'm more concerned about putting it back in and keeping it in. I've not used roll pins before. I don't know if you have to renew them every time. I don't have a spare one, so for now I'm going to leave it in there. If I decide to take it out later, I will do so. I'm going to see if I can clean this case up around it. The seal, seems okay. If we have any problems we can always do it later on. It's just a case of taking the side case off, taking it out, changing the seal, putting it back in, but for the time being I'll see if we can work around it. What is interesting is that still finding bits of broken piston. This needs a really good clean. In fact, I'll do that first and get as much of this crap out, because leaving it in there is not going to help anyone. Yeah, there's loads of it in there, just shards of debris. Okay, we've got shitty old paint that's all up these bits. I'm just going to give it a quick whiz with the brass wheel, as we have no other use for it, and see if that removes the paint, but without damaging the aluminium. See how we get on. Do a test piece first. It's taken it off.